Push into the hands, step your right foot back. Hands underneath the shoulders. First, like that up dog position in your lizard, lift the heart up, sink the hips down, and push into the pinky toe edge of your left foot. Inhale. Exhale, more like a plank, belly in. Spin to the pinky toe edge of your right foot. Flip your dog over. Right shoulder over the right wrist. Right leg is straight like side plank. Reach the left arm up. Lift the heart up and over the right shoulder blade, and then flip that left palm up and over the ear. Inhale. And exhale back into that plank-like position, side plank that is. Left arm reaches straight up. Stack your left foot over your right or step your left foot in front of your right for a little more support. Little space between the heels, big toes touching. Lift the hips up, firm the belly in, maybe allow your lips to curl up in a smile. Inhale and exhale, draw that left knee into your chest as you push into that right hand. Step your left foot toes out, heels in, like Malasana, and step your right foot forward. Squat back down.